Hi, my name is Jennifer Hernandez.
I'm Natalia Lozada.
We come to present the communicative task 1, my blog about Colombia.
Hello, welcome to the blog about the Caribbean region of Colombia. The Caribbean region of Colombia is the mother-most natural, continental, and maritime region of the country.
It is located in the north of Colombia. It limits to the north with the Caribbean Sea, to the east with Venezuela, to the south with the Andean region, to the west with the Pacific region.
Its main urban centers are Barranquilla, Cartagena, Soledad, Santa Marta, Valledupar, Montería, Sincelejo, and Riohacha.
What is the weather like? Of the light climate of the Caribbean region is tropical, being characteristic for presenting warm temperature all year round, with an average temperature close to 25 degrees. It is sunny and hot.
The people of the region are characterized by being spontaneous, cheerful, music, and dance lovers.
The predominant ethnic group in this region is the Mestizo.
They are people from the Caribbean region. They are fat. They have short, curly black hair. They have a round face. They have a big nose. They have small brown eyes. And they have black skin.
He is medium bald. He is bald. He has an oval face. He has a small brown eyes. And he has black skin.
What places can people visit there? You can visit the beach, the restaurant to try exotic food, the swimming pool, the disco and bar.
And the historical places such as Cartagena, eh, Rosario Island, San Andrés, Santa Marta, Tayrona National Natural Park.
What activities can people do there? People can go to the beach, swim, enjoy, get to know the tourist places.
Eat fried fish, go to discos, and have a great time. The typical dishes of the Caribbean are region, couscous sancocho, cassava bollo, ceviche, fried fish, and arepa.
See you later!